Hello and welcome back to another video. I have a lot of free assets lined up in this video. Before we start, subscribe and click the like button. I would really appreciate it. Okay, so the first thing is my own Gumroad page. Everything in this video will be linked in the description, by the way. I have made a discount code for this urban asset pack, and the first few people to use the discount code subscribe in all caps will get this for free. And yeah, that's it. So let's get on with the video. So the second site we are going to be looking at is Leo Moon Studios. This will be linked in the description. And you can get this IES lights pack. You can see here is really great lighting. Some people don't know this, but you can actually use this in Blender and give some realistic effects to your lights. So you can just download it here, click free download. There are some more things here. Artistic film grain. I use this a lot in my renders because film grain is really nice to look at. So the next site is the Blender market page of Addons I, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And you can just click free here and you will see all the free add-ons he has made. I'm going to go over a couple. You can look at all of them yourself, but I'm just going to focus on a few. The GeoNodes pipes, which I really like. They look really good. This is free. The Geo cables, which is free. I have used this a lot in my renders. It's a really great add-on. I really like it. Baeac free Blender add-on to easily just bake your textures. This bakes procedural textures to an image, and it's just a really easy way to bake. And then the transfer images, where you can just have some images and transfer them on some objects. Okay, so the third site is ArtStation. And you might think, well, this is just for art, isn't it? But if you go to their shop and marketplace, you will be transported to this page, and then you can click free here and you get free 3D assets. You can also just refine your search, like 3D models, and click free. And you get these really high quality models for free. You have to worry about their licensing, of course. So for example, if you choose this, you get a standard license. And you can read more about it here. So ArtStation has a lot of free models which you can just download for your personal use, and some of them you can use commercially as well, but you will have to read about that. Okay, so the fourth add-on is the Curvify add-on from CG Matter. And this is actually paid, but CG Matter has given us a free download, so we can try some things. I'll have the video of CG Matter linked in the description, so you can look at it. It looks really great. I'll maybe get it sometime. As you can see here, he has a lot of things. So yeah, definitely check this out, give this a try. And maybe purchase if you are enjoying the free assets. Okay, the fifth one is the building displacement maps from Chuck CG. These are displacement maps for buildings. So this only works in cycles with the experimental enabled. But it's really high quality, and maybe you can transfer some of these displacement maps to actual geometry. He also gives you some free signs and some things. So yeah, this is free. Definitely give a look here. And then something I really like is this modular desert kit and the Buildify add-on from Pavel Oliva, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. This whole Gumroad page is just full of amazing things. You can go to this modular desert kit and it looks so great. Or the Buildify, I think this is a GeoNode setup, where you can generate buildings for free. And then we have the Camera Shake add-on for Blender, which I use in every scene. Yeah, I use it in every render. It's really great. It adds a realistic camera shake I've covered this before, so I'm going to keep it brief. This is all CZ0, and it will be linked in the description. I would recommend you download this because it's amazing. Then we get to the baeac I. Some of you might know the Ivy generator or the baeac I, but they have a lot more free things, like a Lego generator or the arch generator, and there are some amazing things there, like the fantasy gate. So I recommend taking a look. I really like this Ivy generator before I had the baeac add-on. So this is a great solution if you are struggling with making Ivy. And then we have this amazing CZ0 low poly props. So you have this weapon pack. This is particularly useful for some games. Maybe some of you are game devs and you want some weapons for zombies. And you can get that here. Or some household props. And I think you can make a lot of great things with this. I look forward to seeing your games using these assets. And remember, this is CZ0. So it's all free, it's completely free. You don't have to provide a link or credit or anything. It's all free. And that's it. So if you like this video, definitely subscribe and leave a like, leave a comment with what you want to see next. If you want to see more free asset videos like these, go to my Gumroad, use code subscribe on my asset pack and you will get it for free for the first couple of people. And that's it. Have a nice day.